We are here, 4049 Casa Court, Hernando Beach, Florida. This is a waterfront property sitting at the end of a cul-de-sac. Power pole is in place. Survey is complete. This property is 50 by 100, front and back. Seawall, knee wall is in place. This is direct golf access. So if you want to go right out to the golf, you can. There's no weird bridge in the way. You can see the knee wall. Power is in place here. Right now it is low tide. Now what you would do with this power pole is you would contact a boat lift company that would install a lift like this, and it would have power, and power is ready to go. We got a floating dock. And this goes right out to the Gulf of Mexico. And it is very low right now, super low tide. The water is extremely deep, just over 19 feet deep below this dock, believe it or not. You can fit a catamaran here, just like that, or your large boat. It's a beautiful property for your house. It's a buildable lot, ready to go. Here in Hernando Beach, my name is Bryan Gonzalez with Tropic Realty. Give me a call, 352-361-1932. Thanks.